In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media button in Wix. Having clear social media buttons on your website is a great way to connect visitors with your other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step inside the Wix editor, and by the end, you'll have a clickable social bar that links directly to your social pages. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor for the site you want to edit. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the plus icon, which is used to add elements to your site. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This opens the Add panel, where you can insert all kinds of elements like text, images, and of course social icons. In the Add panel, look for the category labeled Social. This is where Wix keeps all the social related elements. Click on Social to expand that section. You'll now see different options for adding individual icons or grouped social elements. From here, choose Social Bar. The social bar is a row of social media icons that you can easily manage and style together. Click on Social Bar, and Wix will show you different design styles. Browse through them and select the style that best matches your website's look. Once you've chosen a design, click on it, and it will automatically be added to your page. You can drag it to where you want it to appear, such as your header, footer, or a specific section. With the social bar selected on your page, look for the Settings or Options panel that appears nearby. Click on Set Social Links. This is where you'll control what each icon does when someone clicks it. Inside the social link settings, you'll see a list of the icons currently in your bar. Click on each social icon one by one. For every icon, you can edit two key things, the title and the link. The title is usually the name of the platform, like Instagram or LinkedIn. The link should be the full URL of your specific profile or page on that platform. Paste your correct profile link there. Repeat this for each icon you want to use and remove any icons you don't need. When you're done, preview your site and click the icons to make sure they open the correct pages. Once everything looks good, publish your site and your social media bar is live.